bunch of birds come by right now. They might be popping up. There we go. All of a sudden, this weird object, and it's one of those spinners. I think I call them spinners. It's strange because earlier it appeared, but it just went by, and I was just able to see it. And then the birds came up, were flying all crazy, as you can see there. Maybe swallows or something. Seen a flash there, a little out of focus, so that object probably is going by somewhere. I wasn't able to record it, but now we got it there, and it appeared. I had a feeling that when the birds came up, all that activity there was gonna have something come by or something. And yeah, we got a spinner. Something went by there out of focus there, possibly also. Zoomed in and kind of zoomed out. There's more of the birds. See right there. After that bird, something went from top to bottom. Could be a fast mover, dragon, UFO. I don't know. Just keep the camera zoomed in like this. In one position. Sorry if I'm not speaking loud enough. Let's see. Alright, zoom out here. Check for anything else, and we'll be jumping on with Rob G here in a couple hours. It's 3 o'clock. Alright, let's see if we get this. Boom. So right after the spinner, this is literally seconds. It's 3:09. Check the clock right now. We're having these birds go around, and all of a sudden we have this, I'll call it an Anomalloon. Looks like a balloon. Possible that it could be, but very strange that it popped up, and it's been a while, and I just had a strange feeling today to look up into the skies. And we do have a lot of activity out here. If you're not familiar with some of the videos I've been posting out of here. Anyway, pretty trippy. Thank you everyone. The spinner, the Anomalloon, birds. Thank you, Lord. And everyone involved. You might see some fast movers going by. I can't really see. I'm in a weird position now. Literally seconds. As soon as I turned the camera to stop recording from the last clip, I see this, and boom, popped it right back up. Started recording. Zoom out, give you the time. That was 3:09 that I stopped the last. I said 3 o'clock, but it was 3:09, 3:11. So not too long after that. Check for anything else while we're at it. Weird.